Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. We're going to start with the dollar. Prices are trying to hold the 50-day EMA. I think we have an intermediate degree bottom here, and I still think we're probably going to the 102 to 103 area. We'll see if this holds the 50-day. If it were to break lower and fall below the late July pivot here around 97, then I'd say this could turn into a left translated intermediate cycle, and we could see lower lows. That's not my base case at this time. Over to the S&P 500 futures, currently at 6,367. Prices recovered much of Friday's losses, so it looks like they digested that jobs report. And I think we're probably just going to consolidate here. If prices were to roll over and close progressively below the 50-day EMA, around 6,200, call it, then I'd say we could see a little more downside and maybe a retest of the 6,000 area. Over to gold, currently trading at $3,410. We're bumping up against this medium term trend line once again. If we were to see a decisive breakout through this level with upside follow through above the April pivot, which was $3,509, and I think we could see some more upside, maybe towards 3,700. But if prices fail to break decisively through 3,500 and roll over, then I think we're probably headed into a lower low into September. Over to silver, currently trading at $37.51. We have our interim cycle low. It looks like we're 3 days into a new cycle here, and we'll see what kind of legs this has. Again, it has to get decisively above $40 to extend the rally. Failing to do so, I think, would invite a left translated cycle. Prices would roll over and seek a lower low into September. Platinum currently trading at $1,322. We formed a swing low, and it looks like this was the interim cycle low, and we'll see what kind of legs this has. This correction was fairly steep, so I'm not convinced we're going to break out above 1,500. My guess is we're probably going to roll over here, maybe around 1,450, and then find a lower low in September. Then lastly, GDX was up yesterday 4.75%, a very impressive day as senior gold producers make record profits with gold staying above 3,000. So we'll see what kind of legs this has. If we get another 4% plus up day this week, then I'd say we might have a breakout in miners. If we do not and prices struggle here at the 55 to 56 level, then I think maybe we could roll over here. But mostly prices have just been consolidating for the last 2 months between 55 and 50. So if we get a decisive breakout above 55, though, we could see a little more upside. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful day.